Hello everybody, welcome to another video. I just have this Bastion pen. So this is a gift from my people, the Bastion. As you can see, it says, this is the, let me see if I can see it well, it's Bastion Ball Action Pen. So it's aluminum and the color is blue. Is new from my people from Bastion. This is a gift, so let's open. Let me open to see. Okay. Okay, so let's see my Bastion. If you're from England, you say Bastion, Bastion. Okay, but for United States, Bastion. Okay, so this is a gift. I'm excited. Okay, wow. Unboxing my ball pen. Okay, so this is a plastic, and this is the action ball pen. Okay, this is the Bastion ball action pen actually. Okay, the color of this pen is blue, so they asked me, which color do you want? So I say, the blue one. So there's something here to protect the ink. Okay, so this is so nice, feels good. Look at these little things over here. Okay, so okay, interesting. Look at this. Okay, so looks great. Let me see. I think I can open this. Should I open? I don't know. So let me try. Let me write something here with my uh, ball action pen from Bastion. Okay, so let me write down something here. This is okay. Hello, hello. I just say hello to you guys. Hi. Okay. Let me write down something else. Okay, so you can see the quality of the ink, the quality of the pen. This is not my sign. This is just writing something. Okay, and let me compare with my other. Oh, let me write down here in the folder. Okay, much better here. It's firm, you know. Very good. Okay. So you can see the ink, the quality is is black. So when they ask me which color, I say blue, but I thought it's gonna be the ink. It's gonna be blue too, but it's black. So here you can see it says aluminum blue. So when I say, when they ask me which color you want, blue, I said blue. I thought it's gonna be, you know, the ink is gonna be blue, but it's black. And let me compare with my other this pen right here I have. So look, so you can notice the difference. This is my old pen. This is my new pen. So you can notice the difference. You know, both are black. Okay. So this looks more professional. This looks, you know, very fancy pen. You know, so I got a new fancy pen from my people from Bastion.